Welcome back to Prime Drive Reviews 2026. If you love seeing the most extreme, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications because today's review is something truly extraordinary. Before we go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join the Prime Drive family. Because vehicles like this don't come around every day, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Today, we're reviewing a massive, ultra-luxury motorhome truck based on a Scania-style European cabover design. And calling it a motorhome honestly feels like an understatement. This is a rolling luxury residence built on heavy-duty commercial DNA, designed for people who want absolute dominance on the road without sacrificing comfort, technology, or prestige. The very first thing you notice is sheer presence. This motorhome doesn't just arrive, it commands attention. The cabover European architecture inspired by Scania gives it that tall, upright stance that immediately communicates strength and control. The high-roof cab flows seamlessly into the extended coach-built body, creating one long, uninterrupted silhouette that feels futuristic and purpose-built rather than modified. This is not a truck with a box slapped on it. It's a single, cohesive design. The exterior finish takes things even further. That deep emerald green metallic paint with a high-gloss finish reacts beautifully to light, showing rich tones in darker areas and sharp reflections along the curves. Carbon fiber accents along the lower panels, grille, and aerodynamic elements add a performance-oriented edge, while piano black surfaces and subtle chrome trims elevate the luxury factor. Every surface looks intentional, premium, and expensive. Move around the front and the design language becomes aggressive, yet refined. The layered grille structure, sharp LED matrix headlights, and sculpted bumper give this motorhome a bold face. That looks more like a high-end concept truck than a recreational vehicle. The daytime running lights create a sharp signature, especially at night, and the high driving position offers commanding visibility that makes long highway journeys feel effortless and safe. From the side profile, the scale really sinks in. This motorhome rides on a multi-axle configuration with 2 front axles and 3 rear axles, supporting its massive size while improving stability, weight distribution, and ride comfort. Polished chrome wheels paired with low-profile premium tires give it a luxury coach vibe rather than a utilitarian truck look. Full-length aerodynamic side skirts clean up airflow and visually lower the body, making this giant feel sleek instead of bulky. Those panoramic tinted windows running along the side aren't just for looks. They flood the interior with natural light during the day while maintaining privacy, and at night they glow softly from within, hinting at the luxury lounge experience inside. Roof-mounted aerodynamic elements and integrated lighting strips further reinforce the futuristic design, especially when viewed in a premium showroom or under city lights. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts completely. The interior lounge feels closer to a high-end penthouse or private jet cabin than anything you'd expect on wheels. Plush leather seating dominates the space, finished with premium stitching, and subtle Scania-inspired logo embossing on the cushioning. The materials are rich, soft to the touch, and layered thoughtfully: leather, brushed metal, piano black panels, and warm wood tones working together in harmony. Ambient LED lighting runs along the ceiling, floor edges, and cabinetry, creating a calm, upscale mood that can be adjusted depending on the time of day. Large windows keep the space open and airy, while soft curtains allow you to completely transform the environment into a private retreat. This lounge isn't just for sitting, it's designed for entertaining, relaxing, working, or simply enjoying the journey. Move toward the bedroom area and the luxury continues without compromise. A full king-size bed takes center stage, framed by a premium upholstered headboard with Scania-style detailing The lighting here is softer, warmer, and more intimate, creating a hotel suite vibe rather than a vehicle interior. Built-in storage is seamlessly integrated into the walls, maximizing space without clutter, while blackout curtains ensure complete privacy and restful sleep no matter where you're parked. The kitchen area is where functionality meets elegance. Marble-style countertops, integrated induction cooking, modern sinks, and built-in appliances make this space fully capable of long-term living. Soft-close cabinetry, brushed metal accents, and under-cabinet lighting give it a luxury yacht feel. This is a kitchen designed not just to exist, but to be used daily without feeling cramped or compromised. Up front, the driver's cabin reminds you that this motorhome is built on serious commercial foundations. The digital dashboard, multifunction steering wheel, and advanced control systems reflect modern European truck engineering. Premium leather surfaces, ergonomic seating, and luxury carpeting ensure that long drives are as comfortable as they are controlled. Despite the vehicle's size, visibility is excellent, and the elevated seating position gives the driver complete confidence on highways and tight maneuvering situations alike. Underneath all that luxury lies real performance muscle. Expect a high-output turbo diesel engine setup typical of heavy-duty European platforms, delivering massive torque rather than flashy horsepower numbers. This motorhome is built to cruise effortlessly at highway speeds, climb gradients without strain, and maintain stability even under full load. Advanced suspension systems, likely air-based, smooth out road imperfections and keep the ride composed, while modern braking and driver assistance technologies ensure safety at all times. Now, let's talk expected pricing, because a machine like this doesn't come cheap. Entry-level variants focused on luxury touring with fewer custom options would realistically start around $900,000 to $1.1 million. Mid-spec versions with enhanced interior finishes, advanced tech packages, and upgraded performance components could push into the $1.30 to $1.5 million range. Fully loaded, bespoke builds with custom interiors, premium materials, and maximum performance options could easily exceed $1.8 million or more, depending on customization. This motorhome isn't built for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's designed for buyers who want absolute freedom, unmatched comfort, and the ability to travel anywhere without ever leaving luxury behind. It's a statement of success, engineering excellence, and uncompromising taste. If you've enjoyed this deep dive and want more ultra-luxury motorhomes, extreme trucks, and future-ready machines, make sure you're subscribed to Prime Drive Reviews. Drop a like if this build impressed you, comment below on what you change or add, and share this video with someone who dreams big on wheels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next Prime Drive review.